Так що я навіть не ведаю, де ми зараз почнемо. Десь був автосейф. Протягнуть.
You moron! What were you thinking? Do you realize what this means?
А, прям даже с миссии почалось.
Okay, Lance, let's get the cops' attention.
Боком як дрифтанув. No, no, why? I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. Ну ты серьезно? Эл, я к тебе обращаюсь. Ну-ка машину мали разбил. Разбил. Так, а где мы зараз машину знайдем? Добре. Якую можно будет перекрасить. Перемалевать. Перефарбовать. О. Так, добро. Где копы? Вот один. А где другие? Ну, два. Ходим сюда. Ты где? чувак.
I thought they were throwing you idiots off the force.
Ну куда я убегаю?
Tie him up again.
Ooh, fits perfectly.
Bit tight around the crotch, though.
Oh yeah, mine
Man,
too,
what a
mine
keto.
too.
Check it.
А у Лэнса маленькая пиписька.
Easy, brother. No cop drives this bad.
To the girl in brown, stop messing around. To the guy in blue, what you gonna do? And to the girl in green, don't
Меняем
be so
стратегию.
And the guy in red, say what?
Okay, timers are set. 5 seconds.
Нам задницу. Где выход? Где вы?
I've got a clear shot. Breaks in war, but we got breaks to get on the floor. And kings off the break. Break it up, break it up, break it up, break down. Yup. I know you get me, sir. Backed by popular demand, it's me, Mr. Magic. If we're breaking the rules, then how come you can't catch me? You can't find me. I know why, cause it's magic. Yeah, Super Rock and Mr. Magic holding it down. Now you want a commercial break? Want to pay some bills? Well, we have none for you. Wild Stop is pirate radio. We have no advertisers, no station heads. I'm telling you, all we do is play music. Super Rock and Mr. Magic throwing down a little more rap music and some electro for you too now.
І що, нам будинок зараз гроші приносить? Так, приносить. Тысяч отримали, 91 тысяча у нас есть. Алина Куб Малибу, все, что не хапаю. Вашингтон-Бич. А Вашингтон-Бич это где? Надеюсь, это центрально?
Tommy, it's me, Lance. Keep your mouth shut there, Tommy, because I ain't got no time to talk. I ain't interested in what you gotta say. Why should I be? You don't care about me, do you? You gotta look after me a bit better. Give me a spare slice, you know? Hey, Tommy, man, look, hey, I'm sorry. It's just that people patronize me all my life, treat me like a little kid. My brother would do that. Please, man, don't do that. I gotta go.
Короче, чем Стивен недоволен? Что я хочет? Так, я забудил. Сюда, сюда, сюда. Сюда, сюда и вот сюда. Так. Так, і зараз здесь літера, яка просто приносить гроші, так? Вот этот черепёчек я не хочу покупать.
Trying to kill yourself, pal?
It's not the same as Iluri
А вот водочную станцию поеду куплю.
love on a guitar at the door of a mermaid's hacienda. But it is not far short.
Хотя нет,
See what you think of
поеду
Millie on
куплю
that.
типографию. Прежде за все. Сколько объектов я веду? Раз, два, три, четыре. 5. Напевно, я ведаю, где находится 6 объектов. Типография 70 тысяч. Ну давай. Друказно. Кто стрелял?
Mr. Vassetti? Hey, you bought the old print works?
Yeah, my old man used to work on these. I used to spend the evenings with him cleaning the rollers. I was gonna follow him in his trade, but I lived a different life.
You planning on selling the old machinery? Breaking it down?
I'm thinking we might print something. A newspaper, a magazine.
Oh, crap, Sonny. Low-grade crap. I've always fancied printing money. It ain't too hard. You know, I've been doing it on a small scale for years.
Really?
Sure. But we need some good quality plates. Of course. There's a counterfeiting syndicate already operating in Florida.
A syndicate?
Yeah, well, just rumors is all I've heard.
I know a man who's good with rumors.
What hardware we got?
Поспробуем ці місяць знову виліти. Миссия хуйня. Не вылетел. Чувак, она обдолбанная.
The arse on that. All right, girls, you're lost, mate, innit? All right, me old China. How's hanging?
What do you know about counterfeiting?
Oh, I'm fine, Paul. How about you? Oh, all right. You're obviously a busy man. All I know about Dodgy Reddies is to try and supply the plates. Fuck.
You know,
They've got a shipping company down the docks. The boss man would know when the plates are coming in next.
thanks, Paul.
What's the matter with you, you maniac? Give me another drink, lively.
Ну, коммент.
Get your hands off me!
Зараз проверим, как это тени. То есть стреляю. То есть поднял тревогу.
Oh man, you're a goner. I'm gonna stick my foot so far up your ass. I'm gonna trash your face up.
То есть с дробовиком? Мне не подобается дробовик.
You won't live to see tomorrow. This is just like training. You what now? Think you can mess with us?
Gordo! Oh, alright, no defeat, no defeat! Oh, I told! He's mine!
Только не на лицо, только не на тварь, только не на тварь.
We're the security asshole. You enjoying this, punk?
Стреляют и стреляют.
You know how many steroids we take, punk? Oh man, you're a goner.
real action is right here, baby. On Flash with me, Tony. The hottest thing to hit the radio since
Так, трохи пульююсь.
music.
Чтоб стрелять в машину.
Here's a record that's been #1 as long as we say so. You know what it takes to make a great record. And so does Laura Branigan.
All right, the courier's moving the plate from the docks today. I'm gonna go intercept them, grab the plates, lose any heat, and make my way back here. Now, depending how well this goes, we may have 5 minutes to print the money before the counterfeit syndicate finds us, or we may have all year. Either way, I want green rolling off the presses 5 minutes after I get back. Got it?
Don't you worry, Tommy. We'll be ready.
Me and the boys will be around in the neighborhood in case you need any heat taken care of.
All right, everybody cool? All right, I'll catch you later.
You blocking up traffic!
I've wrestled bears twice yours, you dirty young man.
Shit!
Hey, watch your language. This is...
Шикарно.
Dispatch to our alligator in front of the sun. You didn't think I could come see you.
Колеса нема, нема кола. А! Где? Что кола? Ай-яй-яй. Это концовкова. Где моя кола? А, не-не-не. Не-не-не-не-не. Ну, фонари, що мені здається, дрібно зроблені. Айдаха така айдаха.
Don't be a wise guy.
М? 2 миссии за то, что погашиваешь его. 8000. 5000 зрев. І здається мені, що на Kaufman Cup нам уже не хопить. Раз, два, три, четыре, пять, 6, 7. А что за 8 будильник? А, киностудия. Из их треба быть 5, 6. Я не ведаю, где таких голосовали. Придется выполнять побочное задание. Чому ти так фіолетовим світиш?
Sonny, obviously you are suffering from hearing problems, so I'll try again. Where's the goddamn money? Where's the goddamn stuff? And where's my cut? Are you new action? You are making an idiot out of me, Tommy, and I'm not laughing yet.
Ось это было багованное, так? Не, пофиксили. На Велизе, кажуть, багованное было. На комнате еще стоит.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Put it out. There's a dude here. Hey, Suit Dude, I guess you're the new owner.
Yeah. Which one of the boats is the fastest?
It's already in the water, dude. I thought you might want to try her out. Dude, she's already running with a 300 horsepower
And
engine.
the fiberglass hull, she just shoots through the waves.
She can do like 0 to 60 in 4 seconds flat, dude.
She can hold like 20 barrels of the best Jamaican
Yeah,
smoke
yeah.
right in the hull.
So go ahead, dude. She's ready to fly.
Yo, Suit Dude, you got a light? Dude.
Яка худший? Правая, напевно. Если я предлагаю, то завес не поеду. Ось это унікальний прыжок, да? Цікаво, цікаво. Это яхта коктейль. Зрозумів, зрозумів.
We totally need to find a phone and get limo service.
Think about it, dickhead.
Ладно, Калина, то не пошансовал по собойных этой.
What hardware we got?
А что ты робишь?
Hey, give me a break. Korea, Vietnam, now this.
Давайте на левой зараз попробуем. А я навіть не ведаю, яка звук включає. Так, і это. Напевно, гэта хутчэй, бо є два мотора, там один мощный. І я не ведаю, я магчыма сумарная мощнасць лепей.
We gotta take a break now, ladies. You're having a little personal time with Oliver Lady Killer Biscuit, and I'll be right back.
Ось дебіл.
I'm gonna get freaky. Why don't you go powder your nose or something? I'll be
From all over America come to find a new home in Florida, just like you. Moved here after the draft. Football, not Vietnam, even though they do have a lot in common. I noticed there was one thing missing from this great town, a celebrity-endorsed used car shop. That's why I founded BJ's Used Autos. Every one of these beauties is freshly painted. They look brand new. We have new models coming in every morning, usually around 2 a.m. We can get you anything. And if you see a car of your dreams, tell us. We can acquire it for you. I've taken the skills I've learned as a pro football player to the used car business. Smash, grab, and run like hell. BJ's Used Autos. I'm tackling low prices with hot cars.
Naxin' and relaxing, baby.
Fever 105. Ooh, yes. I ain't done yet, baby. No way. You best pack a sack and get you.
Что тут нема где причалить, на Вову нигде? А вот он есть здесь. А я уже думал, все, приплыли. Не потопиться бы. Так, ну давай поглядим, какие нерухомости у нас есть. Мы можем заўсёды набыть черепёток. Янка стоит 20 000. Так. Але я не цікаўлюся ў гэтым. Ну, у меня снова пальма посередине. Я насадился на пальму. Я сверху на ее напрыгнул. И она пришла прямо с середины.
That gets me every time. Especially after the drunken tramp you adopted has wet himself. Oh, say it for me, please.
As they say in France, matrice. Not in my house. Please, I came on your fine show to discuss art, not people that whore themselves out on the altar of commercial success.
Да, что ж такое?
Oh, I don't know. My performance at the Hollywood Bowl, perhaps. There are some that attend the concert inside. I am the concert outside myself. In the parking lot.
Институт повинен быть Kaufman Cup.
It comes back to the seriousness of my
Вон
purpose.
там,
At a
направо.
young age, I held puppet shows
Yeah.
on the corner that had people weeping and lying down in the streets. It's about movement, about encouraging ordinary, working-class people that there is something
Не
elevating
он.
about a modern dance performance. That seeing in the future there will be robots will change your life, no matter
А
what
где
your life's
Kaufman
like
Cup?
now.
Kind of like getting a new haircut.
Yes, exactly. No, nothing like a new haircut, you half-wit. This is movement. Watch my hand. Yes, movement. There's a manatee on stage, see? You cannot hear from the wall of Wagner around him. We have lasers that shoot him down, cut him free his soul from the bondage of the past. And then on stage, we have snow that falls and represents love in all its forms. The robot makes a snow angel, and we begin to cry. Close curtain.
Okay. Well, I'd love just the 5 of us.
Please,
Вон
enough.
Kaufman
5
Cup.
succeeds while robots starve. Attendance has been poor. If
Сколько коштует? 40 000. Коли мы съездим до хаты до Артемия Висети, мы сможем ее набыть. Сподіваюся, там уже 10 000 повинно назбираться. Мало что ли? Ой. С другого боку подъехал, так и не познал. А так это быстро. мне показалось. Это будет что-то? Нет, это адреналин. Так, броня есть. Значит, нам ничего не треба. Только грош. 5000? Тут повинно было лишать десятку. Где-то на Kaufman не худо разбегают.
Educated, they can barely understand multisyllabic phrases like "clean my shoes better, Marissa," or "I'll report you to the IRS," or dialectical materialism. Isn't it pleasant to have a patronizing voice on the radio?
That's right, Michelle. With the way things are going under Reagan, at any moment the unwashed Huns from the Midwest could descend upon Vice City and enslave the poets and postal workers and force us to watch network programming.
That is a frightening thought. But like many things in life, you can throw money at something and feel
Так,
better
мне
about
подходит на
yourself.
8000.
VCPR is your public radio station, but you have to open your
7.
wallet.
6200.
That's right. If you pledge at the $1,000
620.
level, you'll get tickets for "In the Future There Will Be Robots" at the Vice City
По-моему,
Arts
зараз
Center.
соберем
People
тут
who see that show say it's difficult to put
2000
into
на
English.
пеку.
That must mean it's spectacular.
И поедем, поглядим, сколько коштует Sunshine Auto.
We could be thrown back.
Бо я не помню, сколько коштует Sunshine Auto. Внутри? Чому внутри? Я не зауважив, скільки там було, але було зовсім мало.
Maurice Chavez, winner of 5 public radio awards in the Vice City area, including Best Voice. On this show,
Так,
we take
поехали в
complex
Sunshine
issues
Auto.
and boil them down to simple ones so you can understand. On this segment of the show, we are discussing morality. Since the beginning of time, man has asked questions. Why are we here? What time is it? And is there a place around
Yeah,
here
это
where I can get a
аэропорт.
drink? Early man, as seen in the Gay Blascaux in
Вот это
France,
Sunshine
questioned the
Auto.
morality of making the mammoth extinct. I think we all know what happened there. Is it society's job to tell each other how to live?
50 тысяч. Напевно, ми зможемо його набити після.
The bill didn't get passed, but it made people think. If you don't vote, you get morons in charge. Is that moral? I'm not sure.
Після таксі. Kaufman Каба.
You make sense. You know how much money I save not having to wear trendy clothes? Read a history book. At the creation of the universe, the Big Bang, everyone was naked, even you. Why do I have to stay behind this divider? Maurice, please?
Because nobody is interested in seeing your business. Because we have standards of decency which you are offending.
Look at me! I'm jumping up and down.
Oh my goodness. Get back behind the divider. Please, I'm married.
What's so wrong with me? Why do you hate me because I'm happy? Jan, give me a hug. I won't hurt you. And by the sound of things, your husband is doing the same right now with his secretary.
No, we've worked through it. He was stressed. It's hard keeping a family together these days.
Everyone, take your clothes off and feel what it's like to be free of bondage. Everyone out there in Vice City, take your clothes off.
2000.
Air conditioning. Oh, a breeze is so liberating.
Thanks very much. Now, if you could get back behind that divider.
О. Ось это мы виконаємо. И ты двоих забил. Пройдено. Олег вышел дали немного. 150. Это значит, за опошную миссию дадут 3500. Напевно, так? Так. А у всякого кольки дадут? 36, 3800. Ну, по 1800 поможешь на 35.
You know, pretty soon you won't be able to tell who's a human and who's an android. Why, the corporation is working on it right now. I know, I read about it. I tell my kids not...
Что-то коля 70 тысяч без... Ну еще нам 1000 не хватает. Сколько у нас куль для 100 снайперки? 36. 36 это много. Так, поехали купим Кауфманка. Блин, стоял бы цвета халявы моего владельца, попросить где нахуй, ничего не потопается. Так, 40 тысяч нам попало. Добро. Kaufman Cup.
Guess you're the new owner. What are you, mob, cartel? You don't look Mexican. Anyhow, I guess you better get on with the things are gonna change around here crap. Maybe threaten one of the drivers. Go steady on Ted over there. He's just had his hernia fixed.
Well, yeah, things are gonna change around here, lady.
Oh, crap, Sonny. Might as well leave this to me. I've been doing this for years.
Now, here's this. We are now under new management, and things are gonna change around here.
Again. Our new management team. Which gang are you?
Well, I'm not part of any gang, actually.
What's your goddamn name, kid?
Versetti. Tommy Versetti.
Our new management, the Versetti gang, is gonna make sure we get no trouble. Capiche? Out. Did you like the capiche? I like the capiche. So this is how it's worked in the past. We run the firm as usual. If we get any trouble from rival firms, you beat the crap out of them. Then they beat the crap out of us. Then you beat the crap out of them, etc., etc. You got it?
Yeah, I guess.
Just grab a taxi from the garage if you feel like jumping in.
Добре, коли набуваєш бізнес, який просто приносить тобі гроші. Де люди вже ведають, що їм треба робити. Нельзя погулять. Поехали. Ну и кто припарковал это капитана в выходе? Так, у нас вид клиент. Купцы. Спешаемся. Ну? Где новости? Далеко. Вид клиент. Все должно быть налицо выглядеть.
This is my fare. Back off, asshole.
Нет, ты все-таки... Это сейчас мой фэн.
Come on, get in, quick. Okay, please, don't hurt me.
Тоже мне таксист. То, что наши часы 10 без автомата. Покажите мне хоть задолжен. И куда ты летишь? Идти далеко. Escobar International Airport. Нема проезда, да? До Кауфманкама. Блин, на каким конце города? И тут нема проезда. Ну вот там нема проезда. Амалия трималась. Феникс. Нет, это не Феникс, это Стингей. Стингей же это не, блин. Оп.
Definitely fresh for all you fly guys and fly girls, troopers and troopettes. Check it out, you're on Wild Style. Now stay out of trouble and stay out of that other man's car. Stay away from all those older men, girl. Super Rockin' Mr. Magic. Keep it moving, y'all. It's Wild Style on Pirate Radio.
Hey, yo, move! Calling all cars. We're losing fares all over town. What's with you guys?
VC cabs keep beating us to it. They just got too many cars. We can't compete.
Mr. Bassetti, if you're out there listening in, you want to put some VC cabs out of action before we go bust.
На возле чого проводять конкуренцію. Добросовісно. Один удар и все. Так, я не завожу, что я сам загорюсь. Не треба оружия перед за все. А где мы игру набудем? Где мы набудем оружие? Зброя. Кроме особняка нигде больше. Али там нема. Баллиста компакт. Будем, значит, из автомата стрелять. Снайперка мне не допоможет на этой миссии.
I wouldn't do that. Give me a break.
Give me a break.
In post-Lapsarian Greece, and the erotic understatement of the fugue in contemporary Baroque. Fascinating stuff.
Где любые? Блин, эманация так не по пути, надо, вот. Вот тут. Нема больше нигде эманации. Одна эманация есть там, одна эманация есть тут. И там. И все не там, где не треба. Зрозумел?
Claude, about the show, the pants. They were so tight, so fitted. How do you get such a marvelous, close, sequin figure hugging fit and still? Oh, and were the sequins a reference to lasers?
Yes, my, I agree.
Так, ладно.
Thanks for calling. That is an important
Давайте сделаем то, что я хотел
I'm
сделать на початку
I
стрима.
especially think so. It is really important for people to see my form move through space in very tight pants. Or the
Полететь
effect
за
is
мапу, что
ruined.
будет.
Interpretive dance cannot be expressed in baggy clothing. It's like a violin parade. Otherwise, why have a love story with a manatee and the lasers? It's very important.
You're kind of creepy. You're nothing like you are on the show. You're so funny there, joking with the family and putting out the fire started by the homeless guy and starting group hugs. But in real life, you're just plain creepy. You won't even tell us how old Jimmy is. All you talk about is Archie stuff like that nobody understands because it's complicated and how tight your pants are.
That's not true. I also discussed love and passion and the manatee.
Насколько развернул.
You, my dear, could use all three. You, my dear, are a Philistine.
Давайте попробуем мешать вот направление, где нас просто разрываться. Зрозумел. Не цікаво.
Our last guest was taken violently ill.
Yes, well, such is the plight of radio. Rather than grumble like Leporello or a taxi driver about my duties cleaning the back seat, I shall bid you adieu.
Okay, thanks, Claude. Next, we have a very important guest who doesn't dance like a weird jerk. We'll be back right after
А я
this.
думал, я уже потопился.
Knights of the road, here's your stallion. The car for freedom. The car for hot excitement. The car for a man who is alone against the elements. The Lipatsu Thunder. The pride is back. It's the power of a compact.
О, мне дали... О, есть. Это добро. Упоминовитая нам не потребна. Так, это могли меня вопить. Мне его уже бачу. Не тримається. Ти откуда ти? Так, мене вопить. Оп, не тримався. Моя мысль? Не. О, я далеко. Оп.
Unfortunately, ya se acabó esa canción. Voy a tener que coger una breve pausa. Me tengo que calmar porque, brother, estoy un poquito excitado y creo que acabo de hacerme una tremenda suciería. Pero eso no importa. Esa es la belleza de la radio, mi gente. Regreso en unos pocos minutos, amigos. Yes.
Hello, I am Fernando Martinez. I think by now you know I am an emotional kind of guy. People stop me in the street and say, Fernando, what the hell is wrong with me? Silk shirt, hairy chest, enough aftershave to drown a household pet, but I still cannot get a woman. I tell them you are an ignorant fool. Without a symbol of power and fertility around your neck, what kind of woman is going to respect you? That is why I have teamed up with Medallion Man, the shop for Medallion Bees. You see, sometimes girls like other girls, but they
Может, это был клоп.
big bulging gold-plated discs of virility buried in their jungle of their hairy chest. Medallion Man caters to all levels of masculinity. For the animal lover, a cobra, a stallion, or gorilla medallion brings out the beast within. For the Civil War enthusiast, how about a medallion that tells the story of the Battle of Bull Run to the Gettysburg Address? And for the traditional man with the raging Oedipus complex, a gold-plated picture of Mom to hang around your neck and really impress the ladies. Don't forget, every woman knows if you can support a medallion, you can support a family.
Radio Espantoso, aquí en Vice City, la casa del...
Вот она. Машина. Что ты любишь? Як це так крипово виглядає? Але добре. Так, мало куль. Мало кулев.
Okay, I got it. Car 13, house.
Так, Мерседес. А что я на там робит Мерседес? Иди. Где и что робит Мерседес? Кто ведает? Ви повинні бути таксі Kaufman Cops.
No sign of Mercedes.
Ах, это помста. 6 штук. Ложки, опушки. А вот там тренда. А вот сюда. Боже.
It's time for Kaufman's Cab's guardian angel to eat some fender.
А вы там остались? Вот. Пацан лет. Убился. А він живий. А чому він живий? До 5000. Фух. Не знаю.
Issues and get a drink. Early man, as seen in the cave of Lascaux in France, questioned the morality of making the mammoth extinct. I think we all know what happened there. Is it society's job to tell each other how to live? Recently, Vice City considered passing a public curfew that
Beach and dog food. Бенсон. Так, у меня есть 10 тысяч.
I'm not sure. Let's press the
Але.
issue.
Children should be at home with their parents naked. A curfew makes sense.
Грошей больше
You know how
нема.
much money I save not having to wear trendy clothes? Read a history book.
Самое главное.
At the creation of the universe, the Big Bang, everyone was naked. Even
Окей,
you.
все, берем
Stay
себе
behind this divider. Maurice, please.
бронежилет.
Nobody is interested in seeing your business.
И подбираем здоровье. Только вельми осторожно. Как не потопиться. Так, зроблено. Сколько грошей? 2000 повинно быть. 2000 есть.
I need a few drinks. You got a few bucks?
Есть машина какая-нибудь? Машина якая? Налоговая? Ну давай старые. Так, зараз бронежилет. Теперь особняк университет.
Tina Marie behind the groove.
Так, снайперку возьмем. Ага, не туда побежал. Ну чому-то не чито. 8. Зверь. Что с FPS? Это не трансляция, это игра в локале. Наш наступный план який? Мы берем эту машину и выконываем задание таксиста. Але буду робить это завтра. А на сегодня это все. Я с вами развитываюсь. До побачення. Гуляйте много. Гуляйте в добрые хуйни. Побачимся.